This is a summary of my personal Praxis goals. My personal goals are to exercise every day and spend time with my family. I love to run, do yoga and walk in nature. Family is everything to me. Every night we have dinner together. These activities give me energy and help me to reflect. My dissertation goals are related to the effectiveness of dual language programming for equitable learning spaces and added versus subractive teaching and learning. I'm also interested in researching teacher training and retention in dual language programs. My learning goals are, become a better writer, overcome fears of writing and make time for research. I want to study how structural racism affects learning experiences and advocate for culturally sustaining pedagogy. My career goals are to expand on my work in teaching at the graduate level. I love working in curriculum development, instructional coaching and teacher preparation. I also love teaching in a Title I school. I would like to expand my leadership in that too. My strengths in leadership and change agentry are that I am perceptive, a good listener, problem solver and advocate. I am organized, too. I need to work on my resiliency, asking questions and patience. My idea of a good leader is someone who is encouraging, leads with purpose and integrity, and communicates clearly. Good leaders listen and create pathways for collaboration. Thank you so much for watching.